Well, good morning. It is Saturday morning, and we are heading up to Maupin, Oregon, which is about 2 hours straight up to the north, kind of in the easternish northern part of Oregon. Pretty desolate country. There's not much of anything up here. If you think most of my stuff is in the middle of nowhere, this is like really in the middle of nowhere. But anyway, see, there's cattle corral because they free range cattle up here. But anyway, we're going up here. We've got a Uhaul trailer that the rear door is broken on, and I guess they can't use it. So I need to go fix it, or try to. The problem is I don't know what's wrong with it, so I don't know if I can even fix it or not. But either way, we're driving 2 hours away to go try and see if we can get it going again so they can be on their merry way, and then I can go back home and enjoy the weekend. So we'll see what there is to explore along the way. There should be quite a few little cool things to check out on the way up here. There's a lot of pretty out there and rugged country. All right, we are dropping down into Maupin, Oregon, I guess. This is town right here down below us, you can see, right along the river down there. And we got to go down to the city park. I guess it's a, what the heck is this dude doing? What the hell? Anyway, I guess it's a whitewater rafting company has this trailer to haul the rafts back and forth, and the back door won't shut for some reason or another. So we're gonna go see if I'm still confused about what the heck that guy's doing back there. But anyway, we're gonna go see if we can find it and then see if we can fix it. It looks like we crossed this old trestle bridge here going to town. But we're going to drop down over here by the river park. See what there is. A lot of little rafting companies here. Like, I think I've counted 4 or 5 of them already. And see if we can find the right one. Okay, there's the city park. And it says go across the small bridge. The trailer will be to the right. And there's a U-Haul trailer with an open door. So check, make sure that's our one, which I mean, why wouldn't it be? Oh, look at all these raft trailers. Apparently rafting is the thing to do here. Cool old Land Rover. Okay, spinning around here. That is our trailer. So I'm just gonna park right here. And yeah, this is nothing but rafting trailers. I guess that's what there is to do in Maupin. I didn't know that was such a thing. So let's go see what we got. Okay, the complaint I heard was the door doesn't shut, but I also see a wire hanging down there. Why does the door not shut? Oh, don't ever push the door from the inside, because if it shuts and doesn't open, you're screwed. Okay. Okay, that's it. They're right. The door doesn't shut. Now we're just gonna figure out why. So if it won't shut all the way, we make it all the way open, and hey, there would be why it won't shut. Because the cable's off that roller. All right, that one is on. That one is off. So if we make this one look like that one, it should work. Right? Right. Okay, got it all unwound and off this shaft. What happened was these bolts that hold this spring came loose and let it hop over the side of the pulley and wrap around the shaft. So now we have to rewind it, then retension the spring, and then tighten up the bolts that hold it. Right now it's all just loose like it shouldn't be. Hopefully that fixes it. So I brought a new cable because I don't know what was wrong, but that cable wasn't kinked or broke or anything wrong with it like that, so I just rewound it, as you can see. and then I retensioned the spring and tightened that down. And hopefully it was just because that came loose. We're going to try it out and see. Make sure it works and goes down and up. There's half the battle. All good?
That's awesome, yeah.
All right, and I got that wire hooked back up, so I guess you're good to go.
Thanks, man.
All right. Yeah, no problem. You have a good one. Okay. So, 2-hour drive for 10-minute repair in Maupin, Oregon, where I've never been till now, but now I know if you want to go rafting, apparently this is the place to go here on the Deschutes River. Well, that was the easy one. Just got the cable back on there and rewound, and everybody's good to go. They're back down the road picking up some more boats, and that actually says a lot about Uhaul too. A busy weekend, no one's available, and they pay me to drive 2 hours away and back to get their customer going again. So that's pretty good on them. They cost them some money, but they made it happen, and now customer's happy, back to work, and I get to turn around and go back home. But first we are cruising down here where we're not supposed to go, because this is like the fee area and all that, but I want to see what was down here to see. Some boats in the water. I'll check out that old silo thing building there. Oh, it's old train station. Looks like a grain silo for loading up the trains as they come through on the tracks. That's pretty cool. And there's your rafters going down the river. Some rapids up there. Maybe we can go catch them and watch. Isn't it cool that our repair made it possible for these people to go down the to go down the rapids like this? Just kidding. We had absolutely nothing to do with that. It's highly unlikely that's even the same rafting company, and even if it is, they'd still be out there regardless of whether or not I came up here. But either way, that trailer's fixed. These people are having fun. Job got done. And I'm gonna head home, and we'll see what else we can explore along the way. Well, that was a good one. Okay, let's get back out of here. That way straight ahead is how we would go to get home. But of course, because it's me and I'm in my tow truck, I need fuel or I won't make it home. So we're gonna go this way and head into town and try to find a fuel station and fuel up before we head home so that we actually make it. Because as you can see, back there somewhere, I don't have my fuel cans on the truck right now, which is a risky move in this truck, but I'm sure there's got to be fuel in this town somewhere. I hope. Okay, we made it to the actual town part up here at the top of the hill. And cool little old town. Don't see a fuel station though. Okay, we're heading back down and out of here because I did not find a fuel station, which, whoa, this chick's naked. Oh, never mind. That's a mannequin. But either way, the mannequin is naked. As I was saying, we're heading out of here because I didn't find a fuel station. So we're gonna try to make it back to Madras, which is about an hour away from here. I think is the next nearest fuel. And see how that goes. There's got to be a fuel station somewhere, because there's no way all these old retired school buses and passenger vans are running on unicorn farts and fairy dust. Like, all those gas burners have got to be getting fuel somewhere, and I'm just missing it. So I know there is one. I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna try to make it back to Madras and hopefully get fuel there. And if not, I will have to call a tow truck to bring me fuel, which would be super ironic and pretty funny all at the same time. Okay, I know it's super windy here, but deal with it. This here is the mountain identifier. And unfortunately, it's really, really smoky. But if you stand right here and look at that, that is Mount Jefferson. So straight ahead, Mount Jefferson that you can't hardly see in the smoke. Here is Mount Hood. The peak of it is right there. Mount Adams is straight off that way. And then you get back over towards our side of the world, Three Finger Jack, Mount Washington, the Three Sisters, and then Broken Top is over there. And right now it's so smoky you can't hardly see any of them, but on a clear day you can see that whole stretch of the Cascade Range from Central Oregon all the way up into Washington from this one spot. There's another one of these, I think on that hill over there. The other section of this highway turns off and heads up that way, heading out towards Eastern Oregon, up along the Columbia River. And on that ridge right there, there's another one of these mountain identifiers that sits up quite a bit higher, and you can see all this even better. So cool things to check out if you're traveling along. Yeah, I know it's windy, but I lost my little furry fluffy deal for this, so just got to deal with the wind. Love the farmland out here. The swather down there doing circles, cutting hay. Cab over hay truck going down the road up there. Center pivot's going. Love it out here. I mean, I know it looks like I'm doing okay, but deep down, I just want to be a farmer. We're getting fuel because we made it to the fuel station in Madras. So we're gonna fill up and then see if we can find us something to eat and head the rest of the way home. Okay, we stopped and got us some chicken strips, and a bunch of kids had the milkshake machine all tied up, so that was completely uncalled for, but got chicken strips anyway, and now we're heading home. Okay, well, we're almost back home now. Just heading out through where it burned here a couple weeks ago. And then that was it for this one, I guess. So just a quick little easy repair with a long drive in between, and now we're almost back home to enjoy the rest of the weekend. So that is it for this one, and we will see you guys later.